Sugar.
Sugar?
Sugar. I am Christine Thong and I am the Professor at Swinburne University in Melbourne, Australia. Well, corporate partners do not only provide the challenge and fund the projects, they are a key partner the full way through the journey. Regular meetings occur on a weekly or fortnightly basis where the student teams and the corporate partner connect via teleconference or face-to-face. So this allows the corporate partner perspective and their technical expertise to be integrated into the decision-making process the whole way along the design thinking journey. So student teams also gain an understanding of how their work complements the corporate partner's existing activities. This establishes a really close relationship between university and corporate and often leads to really long-lasting partnerships. Not only are you providing your students with opportunity to apply design thinking process to real-world challenges provided by corporate partners, you're giving them the opportunity to do so on a global scale. Students gain hands-on experience working with the complexities of multinational, cross-cultural teams. Collaborating across time zones and cultural contexts builds really valuable employability skills in students: communication, empathy, resilience, and most importantly, being an effective team player. It is also motivating for students to know that they are working on a project that their corporate partner really wants to adopt. Universities connect with like-minded educators, which can lead to all sorts of new academic collaboration opportunities. It's the community, a collective of like-minded, curious individuals who live and breathe innovation mindset. We are aligned by the goal to deliver world-class education that empowers students to be responsible professionals who can make real impact. We are educating the next generation of innovators who will use creative problem solving to address future human needs. Does this spark your interest? Send us an email to find out more about how to join the Sugar Network. We look forward to hearing from you.